Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I like to share with you another nice Twosun knife that I got my hands on, and it will be the model TS38-MICARTA. So this one is another night morning design, and it has been probably one of the main staple of Twosun because it had quite a few iterations. I have noted the exact numbers here, but last time I checked there were 4 or maybe 5 variants with different kind of G10 coloring available, and finally we got a micarta version. So this one has also the updated new pocket clip, full stainless steel liners, and let me give you the specifications. So we have a overall length of 19.6 centimeters or 7.7 inches. The blade length is 8.3 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The blade width is 2.7 millimeters or 1 inch. The blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters or 0.15 inches. The handle length is 11.4 centimeters or 4.5 inches. And handle thickness is 1.6 centimeters or 0.6 inches without the pocket clip. The blade features a D2 steel on this one with a nice satin finish and with a Tanto, American Tanto profile with it. The handles are made with, I would say, Burlap micarta, stainless steel liners, and a G10 partial backspacer. We have a nice, sturdy and wide, or should I say thick, liner lock. Skeletonized, the liner is skeletonized for weight reduction, which is always good to see, to really save up on weight. And it has a really nice and good engagement with the blade thing right there. So let me do the spine whack test. So this is really nice, no blade play whatsoever. Let's just quickly wipe it down. So as you can see there is probably no detent, or should I say detent ramp, because if it was, it will fall down. So you need to definitely push it a little bit, but then it will close smoothly. That could be a, let's say, a safety feature, but if you like, you can disassemble the knife and do it yourself. Just use a file and mark it where the detent ball from the liner hits the blade, and you can use or make it yourself if you prefer it so. Okay, like I mentioned, we have a nice deep carry pocket clip. The weight comes at 132.3 grams or 4.6 ounces. Let's check out the sharpness. So really nice and sharp, but definitely there are a little bit a toothiness, or how to describe it. So I would suggest use your strap with the green compound, and you will bring the blade to its maximum potential. Okay, we have markings on the blade. So we have a night morning design, and which is the original style of how Twosun did marked night morning designs. Nowadays they are using his logo. I will show it to you. Let me take out one of my favorite designs from him is the model 111, and here is the night morning designs logo right there. But anyway, they probably used the bunch of blades that they have from previous rounds with different handle scales, so nothing problematic right there. So the design is really nice and geometrical. You have straight lines all the way through the blade. So even here, this is not a curve, but it's a line. So yes, a really nice, almost sci-fi looking design, if you would to call it so. But definitely, I can appreciate yet another to have yet another great design from Night Morning in my collection, and more so if now we are getting the Burlap style MICARTA on this one. I would probably be more happy if they use the higher quality canvas, like on the model 187. But yeah, it is what it is. So now let me show you the pocket profile, and then we talk about the pricing. So this is how much it will stick out from your pocket. Nothing major, but definitely a little chunk right there. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing, and then we give you a few size comparisons. So price wise, you're looking right now, if you want the knife, go check out White Mountain Knives. They are the US distributor for Twosun. They have listed it at $37.99, so under $38, which is, my opinion, a great offering. Just to point it out. But if you want to, let's say, have it a little bit cheaper, maybe you are not from US and you don't mind to wait a couple of months or maybe weeks or months, then you can also go on eBay and check out the listings, because they have a I would say not authorized, but a reseller right there who will offer lots of new designs firstly on eBay at auction, and so you can bid on them, and maybe you will get lucky and get one. So, and still, if you are not certain how much you would like to pay, then you can reference it with Mountain Knives. Usually they have probably, as far as I can say, all the designs they have listed. Some of them are usually unfortunately out of stock, and because they are not made anymore. But I don't know how the politics in Twosun knives work, if when they only produce a certain design for a certain amount of time, or maybe certain amount of pieces. I don't know, maybe in the future we will know. But currently Twosun is operating without these parameters. So they have firstly the knives on eBay, then they will go through a few distributors they have. Maybe in the future they will also have it back on AliExpress, but at this point I don't know why they stopped selling most of the designs on AliExpress. Don't know what's going on there, but it is what it is. So let's jump in and show you a few size comparisons. So here is the model 111 that I showed you previously. Excellent design, and the good news is that this came out also in MICARTA, so I will be getting at some point one, and we'll show it here you with my other Twosun knives. Okay, so there is the model 187 from Mazvan Mokhtar design. Now let's continue with another great offering from CVV. This is the Elementum. Then I have the Kaiser Pinch, which is a non-locking knife. QSP, excellent budget EDC. The model Penguin. Another excellent knife from Kaiser is the Backlighter 2. concept, Little Main Street, another excellent knife. Then I have here the Kubi Aries, highly recommended from Kubi if you like micarta, but they are also available in different materials. So this is the Buck Sprint Pro in Burlap micarta. This is the Free Tiger Casivo or Tuna Fire model 956. If you are on budget, that is a great offering with the Twosun micarta. Then I have here a couple from Twosun knives. This is the model Bruiser, and a little bit more expensive, the model Cebu. QSP Pelican. Then I have here a really nice underrated model, the Buck Vintage Avid. You can also go a little bit cheaper if you buy the Select line. It comes in small and large. Of course, this is the smaller version with just your plastic scales, but there is also a diamond wood variant, which is something like paper. Here is a small Griptilian from Benchmade. Let's see, also a large Griptilian from Benchmade, Model 1 from Rat, Model 2 from Rat, Delica from Spyderco, Endura from Spyderco, .940 from Benchmade, Kershaw Leak, Kershaw Blur, Ace Ground from Giant Mouse, and let's close it up with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so let's wrap it up. What to say more? If you want a little bit more unconventional design from Twosun, and you need to have micarta and an American style Tanto blade, then yeah, the model 38 is one model that is will check all your boxes. Also, you can check out also different variants with the different G10 scales. I don't know if they are still available. Some of them could, but then of course you can still check out eBay. Maybe somebody will sell it to you. Okay, that being said, I would like to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate all my subscribers. If you are not a subscriber, then I still strongly suggest to subscribe and to not miss any future videos. I try to produce and release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my hobbies. This channel is dedicated to my passion, my hobbies, my journey with knives and gear, and also all other things around. So if you like, you can check out also my playlists. I try to keep everything nice and organized, so if you're looking for cheap knives, micarta knives, custom knives, expensive knives, you can certainly find something you could be interested in. Okay, and always I appreciate if you leave a comment and share, not only with me but also my other subscribers, your experiences with the knife, with the designers, or everything around the hobby. With that being said, I would like to wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Have a nice day.